Did you know that AI trading can analyze market trends in seconds? Something that would take a human trader hours or even days to do. As traders, we're constantly looking for ways to improve our skills and stay ahead of the curve. With the increasing popularity of artificial intelligence technology, it's only natural that traders are turning to AI-powered strategies to enhance their trading performance. In this video, we're going to explore the top AI trading strategy for beginners. Whether you're new to trading or just looking to upgrade your skills, this video is perfect for you. The world of trading can be intimidating, especially for those who are just starting out. There's so much to learn, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. But the good news is that AI trading strategies can help level the playing field, giving beginners a chance to compete with more experienced traders. So, what is AI trading, and how does it work? In a nutshell, AI trading uses advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze market data and make predictions about future price movements. This allows traders to make more informed decisions and potentially increase their profits. Let's dive deeper into the world of AI trading and explore the benefits it can offer. Trading can be tough, especially for beginners. One of the biggest challenges is dealing with market volatility. Markets can be unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. This can make it difficult to make informed trading decisions, and even the most experienced traders can find themselves caught off guard. Another challenge beginners face is emotional decision-making. When we're invested in a trade, it's easy to get caught up in emotions like fear and greed. This can lead to impulsive decisions that ultimately cost us money. By using AI trading strategies, we can remove emotions from the equation and make more rational decisions. Additionally, AI trading strategies can help us analyze large amounts of data quickly and accurately. This is especially useful for beginners who may not have the time or expertise to analyze charts and patterns on their own. AI can also help us identify potential trading opportunities that we may have missed otherwise. By analyzing market trends and patterns, AI trading strategies can spot potential trades that are more likely to be profitable. But how do AI trading strategies actually work? There are several different approaches, including algorithmic trading and machine learning. We'll dive deeper into these strategies later in the video. One of the biggest benefits of AI trading strategies is that they can be used in conjunction with other trading strategies. This allows traders to create a hybrid approach that combines the best of both worlds. Despite the many benefits of AI trading, some traders are still hesitant to give it a try. One of the biggest concerns is that AI trading is only for advanced traders. But the truth is that AI trading strategies can be used by traders of all levels, from beginners to experts. Another concern is that AI trading is too complicated. But with modern trading software, it's easier than ever to get started with AI trading. Many platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and drag-and-drop tools that make it easy to create and implement AI trading strategies. Some traders are also worried that AI trading will replace human traders altogether. But the truth is that AI trading is meant to augment human trading, not replace it. By combining human intuition with AI-powered analysis, traders can make more informed decisions and achieve better results. Algorithmic trading is one of the most popular AI trading strategies. This approach uses advanced algorithms to analyze market data and make trades based on predefined rules. By using algorithms to analyze data, traders can make faster and more accurate decisions. Machine learning is another popular AI trading strategy. This approach uses machine learning algorithms to analyze market data and learn from it over time. As the algorithm learns, it becomes more accurate and effective at making predictions. There are many different AI trading strategies out there, and each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. The key is to find the strategy that works best for you and your trading goals. Let's take a look at a real-life example of how AI trading can lead to success. One trader used an AI-powered trading strategy to analyze market trends and identify potential trading opportunities. Over the course of a year, this trader was able to achieve a return on investment of over 50%. This is just one example of how AI trading can lead to success. By using AI-powered strategies, traders can gain a competitive edge and achieve better results. So what are the key takeaways from this video? Firstly, AI trading is a powerful tool that can help traders of all levels achieve better results. Secondly, AI trading strategies can help mitigate the challenges of market volatility and emotional decision-making. And finally, AI trading is easier than ever to get started with, thanks to modern trading software and user-friendly interfaces. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more trading tips and strategies. And if you want to learn more about AI tools for traders, be sure to check out our video on the top AI tools for traders.